Hello everyone, it's Ritik Jaiswal, Data Science and Business Analytics Intern at the Sparks Foundation. I'm going to demonstrate the task 8, which was the project based on timeline analysis of COVID-19. The software which I used were Tableau and Jupyter Notebook. Now let's look at the Tableau, which I used for dashboard creation for COVID-19 in India. This is the sheet 1 in which I used heat map to know the intensity of COVID cases in each state. Heat map is a graphical way to visualize hot spot as well as cold spot. Here the scale is given. Cold spot is represented by yellow. Gradually it changes to orange, and at hot spot it is red. Next sheet is timeline series of COVID cases by state. In this, three parameters are considered: confirmed cases, cases which have been cured, and the deaths. And third one is the bar graph of vaccines doses administered. Then this sheet is a pie chart in which age group is shown regarding the COVID-19 cases. This is the pie chart of male and female categorization. It is the ICMR testing labs in each state, and this is state-wise testing details regarding the sample collections of COVID cases. And this is the final dashboard which was being created by me. And I was asked to upload or publish this dashboard over Tableau Public. So let's go there. This is the Tableau Public platform where I published my dashboard. So it is being loaded now. So first one is India's map. It is heat map, and you can see the total deaths by state. You can see Maharashtra was the hot spot, followed by Karnataka, Telangana, and other southern states. In age group details, pie chart is being used, and I have categorized into the age group of 0 to 9, after that 10 to 19. Likewise, it goes on. We can see that age group of 20 to 29, people there were mostly affected with COVID, comprising of 24.86%, followed by the age group of 30 to 39, which consists of 21.1%. This is timeline series of COVID cases by state. Here we can see that cases exponentially increased in the month of March 2021, and it goes on to increase till May 2021. And if you remember, at that time period between March to May 2021, India was hit by second wave. This is the first versus second dose administered. You can see first dose who the people were have taken are huge in number compared to the second one. This is the categorization of COVID cases in terms of male and female. 66.76% of the people who got infected with COVID were male, and 33.24% were female. This is the histogram of ICMR testing labs in each state. You can see Maharashtra has huge number of testing labs, followed by Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and so on. Then it's dose administered by vaccine. There were three vaccines broadly: Covishield, Covaxin, and Sputnik V. Among them, Covishield was the most popular one. Then this histogram is again about state-wise testing details, and it is about negative cases, total samples collection, and positive among them. UP was the state which conducted huge number of tests for COVID. So this was all about India's COVID-19 analysis. This was the data set which I used for India, its age group, its time, state, and so on, and its vaccines detail. Now let's look at the data analysis of COVID-19 at the world. So let's go there. This is about COVID-19 data analysis of world. So here I imported the dataset and I used Pandas library, Seaborn as well as Matplot. So here we arranged the cases country wise in alphabetical order. So we took some, and here it is visible. Alphabetically, countries are arranged with the confirmed cases. And after that, we looked at the countries which had most number of COVID cases. So we arranged it in descending order. Top 5 countries are US, followed by Spain, then Italy, then France, then UK. We can also arrange them in ascending as well. Later on, we also analyzed the recovered ones, each country wise, again in alphabetical order. And lastly, we look at the death numbers, and I arranged it in the ascending order. So that was all about world's COVID-19 data analysis. Let's look at the insights. India's COVID-19 dashboard included pie chart, histogram, bar graph, heat map, and timeline analysis, as you saw. States below Tropic of Cancer were hotspots, including Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. India saw the second wave of COVID-19 during the months of March 2021 to May 2021. Covishield was the most administered vaccine. Males were more affected by COVID-19 than females in India. And at world stage, US, China, Italy, France, and Spain were the most affected countries. That was all about my project.